In this video, we will explore the automation of model deployment using AWS SageMaker pipelines. You'll learn to create and manage automated deployment workflows, integrating C/CD tools, and monitoring executions to enhance efficiency and reduce errors. Welcome to our deep dive into automating model deployment on AWS SageMaker. Did you know that automation can reduce errors by up to 80%? That's right. In today's fast-paced world, deploying models manually is not just inefficient but also prone to mistakes. In this video, we'll explore how AWS SageMaker pipelines can streamline your deployment process, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your workflows. Whether you're a data scientist, a DevOps engineer, or an IT manager, understanding these concepts will empower you to build smarter, more efficient systems. So, let's get started on this journey toward automation excellence.
AWS SageMaker pipelines are a key component in automating your machine learning workflows. These pipelines enable you to create, automate, and manage end-to-end machine learning workflows, seamlessly integrating with other AWS services like CloudWatch, Lambda, and S3. The flexibility of SageMaker pipelines allows you to scale your operations according to your needs, making it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're handling large datasets or deploying complex models, SageMaker pipelines provide the structure and efficiency needed to manage your machine learning tasks effectively. In this block, we'll dive deep into how these pipelines work and explore some real-world use cases where companies have transformed their operations using this technology.
Let's set up your first AWS SageMaker pipeline. We'll begin by defining the essential components: data sources, processing steps, training, and deployment. Start by configuring your pipeline parameters in the SageMaker console. Connect to your data stored in S3 or other storage services, ensuring you have the right permissions. Next, define your model training steps, specifying the algorithms and hyperparameters for optimal performance. Once your model is trained, it's time to deploy it using SageMaker's built-in deployment capabilities. In this block, we'll walk through each step in detail, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to build your first pipeline from scratch. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, C/CD, are crucial for maintaining the quality and reliability of your machine learning models. Integrating these tools with AWS SageMaker ensures that every change is tested and deployed automatically, reducing the risk of errors. In this section, we'll explore how to integrate popular C/CD tools like Jenkins with SageMaker. We'll cover setting up automated tests, managing version control, and streamlining collaboration among teams. By the end of this block, you'll have a solid understanding of how to enhance your machine learning workflows with C/CD, leading to faster and more reliable deployments.
Monitoring your AWS SageMaker pipelines is essential for ensuring smooth and efficient operations. By keeping an eye on your pipelines, you can quickly identify and address issues before they impact your deployment. AWS CloudWatch is a powerful tool that allows you to set up alerts, visualize performance metrics, and analyze pipeline executions. In this block, we'll guide you through configuring CloudWatch to monitor your pipelines effectively. Learn how to set up alerts for specific events, analyze performance data, and respond to failures promptly. This proactive approach will help you maintain high availability and performance in your machine learning operations. Model versioning is a critical aspect of managing machine learning deployments. As models evolve, it's important to keep track of different versions to ensure that you can roll back to previous states if needed. Automation plays a key role in managing model versions efficiently. In this section, we'll explore tools and techniques for automating version control in your AWS SageMaker pipelines. From setting up versioning systems to integrating them with your existing workflows, we'll cover everything you need to maintain robust version control practices. By the end of this block, you'll understand the importance of model versioning and how to implement it effectively in your deployments. Deployment failures can happen, and having a rollback strategy is crucial to minimize their impact. Rollback strategies ensure that you can quickly revert to a stable state in case something goes wrong during deployment. In this block, we'll discuss the importance of planning for deployment failures and how to automate rollback processes in AWS SageMaker. We'll cover best practices for testing rollback scenarios and ensuring minimal downtime during rollbacks. By implementing these strategies, you'll enhance the reliability and resilience of your machine learning deployments, ensuring that you can recover quickly from any unforeseen issues. Managing costs is a crucial aspect of running automated deployments on AWS. Understanding AWS pricing and optimizing your resource usage can lead to significant savings. In this block, we'll explore various cost management tips for AWS SageMaker pipelines. Learn how to monitor your spending using CloudWatch, implement strategies to optimize resource usage, and balance performance with cost. By adopting these practices, you can ensure that your deployments are not only efficient but also cost-effective, allowing you to maximize your budget and achieve better returns on your investment.
AWS CloudWatch provides powerful capabilities for monitoring your SageMaker pipelines, offering real-time notifications and alerts. By setting up custom alerts, you can stay informed about your deployments and react quickly to any issues. In this block, we'll guide you through configuring CloudWatch notifications and integrating them with other AWS services like Lambda and SNS. Learn how real-time monitoring can improve your response times and enhance the reliability of your machine learning operations. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be better equipped to handle any challenges that arise and maintain smooth, uninterrupted deployments.
Congratulations! You've reached the end of our comprehensive guide on automating model deployment with AWS SageMaker pipelines. We've covered everything from setting up your first pipeline to integrating C/CD tools and managing costs. Automation not only enhances efficiency but also ensures consistency and reliability in your machine learning workflows. As you continue your journey, remember to explore additional resources and share your insights with the community. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts, share this video with your network, and let us know what topics you'd like to see in the future. Together, we can master the art of automated deployments.